Salsal is that wet soil which is mixed with sand, then it rings as clay rings. It is also said it means the earth which emits offensive odor. In their views, this word has its origin in Salla, as Sarsara has been derived from Sar. It is said, Sarral Babu wa Sarsara in dal Ighlaq. The door rattles when it was shut, as Kabkaba has been derived from Kab. I have turned it upside down. Famarrat bihi. Hazrat Havwa, Eve, keep on conceiving and completing the duration. Allah tasjud means that you may prostrate yourself. Allah Almighty says, and recall when your Lord said to the angels, I am about to place a vicegerent in the earth. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, in lamma alayha hafiz means, but there is a guardian over it. Fi kabad means a laborious creation. Riyasha means wealth. The other people say a raish and a riyash are the synonyms and it means outer garment. Ma tumnoon means the sperm that is poured into the wombs of the women. Mujahid says, Innahu ala raj'ahi laqadir means to return the sperm to penis whole, and everything that he created is in pair. The sky is also in pair. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is odd. Fi ahsani taqweem means elegant creation. Asfal as-safilin are all lowest of the low excluding the believers. Lazib means sticky. Nunshi'akum means we can create in the four we please. Nusabbihu bihamdika, we glorify you. Abu Aliya says, Fatalaqqa Adamu min Rabbihi kalimat means the Quranic supplication. Rabbana zalamna anfusana. Fa'azallahuma means the Satan caused them to deflect. And yatasannahu means to putrefy. Asan to get changed. Al-masnoon means changed. Hama is the plural of hama, and it means altered clay. Yakhsifan means taking the leaves of paradise, stuck them to each other. Sawatuhuma is a euphemism for private parts. Mata'un ilahin from that time to the day of resurrection. The Arabs also use the word heen for a time period which is boundless. Qabila, the group he himself belongs to. Hazrat Abu Huraira reports that the Prophet ﷺ said, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, his height was 60 cubits, 90 feet. Then he asked him, go and greet that group of the angels and listen attentively to their response, for the same will be yours as well as your progeny's greeting. He said, Assalamu alaikum. They replied, Assalamu alayka wa rahmatullah. So they added rahmatullah to it. So whosoever enters paradise will resemble Hazrat Adam in form. Since then till right now, the height of the people has constantly reduced. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3326.